Hello, back for an update, and as you can see, it's still cold here. We've had a couple of -2, 3 days. You know, that's what 28, 29 degrees Fahrenheit. But I got on working on the VIC, run out of wire, and so having to rob a wee bit from my EPG at the minute. Well, having said that, I did want to rewind a couple of the coils, and had to unwind the wire by hand. I've designed a unwinder attachment for my EPG winder, which I'll get round to building it, because there's probably a few more coils I'm going to redo on it. But if you are thinking of any work on the EPG, build yourself the winder first. You will be glad you did, because to sit and hand wind that stuff, it gonna take you months. So like I say, I've unwound 2 of the 2000 turn coils on the EPG, and that's being used for L1 and L2 on my VIC. So yeah, also when I drained the EPG, I was just checking if I'd in around about 400 milliliters of fluid inside it, for that given size. Although that's probably a wee bit more than what you would expect, because I had the extra tubing and the pump, so possibly about 350 milliliters if you're going for a similar design. Right, and as you notice, bloody hot gloves, bloody needed at the minute. Right, like I said, I took a couple of the big coils off that, although that's only for the minute. That there, that's basically that. They're both 2000 turns on the EPG. I know it's a bit bigger, but given the internal dimensions of the bobbin, it'll go onto that okay. This is the fluid I had in my EPG, and I've had it sitting for a few days with a magnet underneath it to gather up all the metal particles. But I intend to redo this, I don't know, what do you call it? I'm gonna, instead of water, I'm changing this to baby oil. See, I'm gonna put the metal particles in this stuff here, instead of the water, and see how that works out. But I'm still committed to getting this going. But this is my primary secondary for the VIC, and put a lot of extra coils on it, and I've output, and that's about 150 volts at the minute. That's what it's sort of peaking at. Again, that's the circuits for it and all. Like I've been doing stuff, but to be honest with you, it's that cold. You know, you don't have the will to do it. But anyway, I just thought I'll give you an update. I'm not dead, still here. And the tube system that I have from a fuel cell, hydrogen fuel cell. This is the one here. It was kindly sent to me by William in Holland. that's nearly finished. Haven't, the end pipe's not in there because I've still got to top and do a bit of work on that. But sorted out a pump. This here's was a submersible pump until I fitted this, and I can run it now just as a standard outside standalone pump, and that'll definitely give enough circulation for the fuel cell. A big spiral one, I'm undecided what to do about it at the minute. It produces well, and the only thing is it's not a kick in the arse of being just a brute force system. I doubt very much whether the VIC is going to work with the spiral cell. Although I haven't said, I'm gonna give it a go anyway. I'll try it and see what works. So yeah, I think that's about everything for now. I've pulled apart a couple of microwaves and looking at fast switching high voltage diodes. There's a few of them came off the transformer, which might come in useful, and bits and pieces. So okay, until I've got a bit more to show you, that'll do for now. So peace, have fun, enjoy yourselves.